without you. I'm so much better, like you never met me. I'm doing anything I want to. I'm going 0 to 80, so when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down beats too. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I mean, have done stuff similar like this on my channel, but I just wanted to hop on here and just show you like a little bit of what I do for work, for my morning routine. Sometimes I have a lot of time before work, and I like to get prepared, make my lunch, do all kinds of things before I have to go to work for the day. Sometimes I work earlier and I don't have as much time, but I'm usually second shift. Excuse you. My dog sneezed. So typically I don't work till like 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I like to take advantage of that, and I like to take my mornings very seriously sometimes, not all the times. And I like to like prep out my lunch. I like to clean. I like to get things done before I have to go into work for the day. So if you guys want to see how kind of my morning routine is when I'm being productive, then go ahead and keep on watching. What helps me a lot is just to make sure that I have clothes prepped out and laid out for the night before. That way I don't really have an excuse of why I don't have time, or like I can't find an outfit or anything like that. It's just already ready to go. That's what I planned on doing, and I just need to show up and do it. Just like if I needed to go to work, I lay out clothes and I have to go. So usually if I really want to work out, I just make sure I do the same things that I would for when I need to go to work. So this is my hydrojug. You can order it on hydrojug.com. They're really affordable. It's only like $19.99. I really like these. They are a half gallon of water. I think they're 120 milliliters, and I try to drink one of these a day. And I know that's a lot of water, but you're supposed to be drinking half your body weight in ounces. So that is why I have been focusing on drinking a lot of water.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Been staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing.
So I also laid out my clothes for the next day for when I had to work as well. That way I was just really prepared and ready to go, so I had no excuses. So after my workout, I went ahead and took a shower and then started to make something to eat. I just had some peanut butter toast with a sliced up banana.
call. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here? What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away.
I'm wearing very minimal makeup right now because of this pandemic. I work in a hospital, so we're wearing a lot of protective equipment and the proper PPE. So I just don't really want to have a whole ton on my face because I know I'll just get on whatever I'm wearing. So that's pretty much why I don't have a lot of makeup on.
What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here?
So here I was just making a crock pot meal. I made a sausage and potato, it's like cheesy casserole type of thing. I made it in my last video for my recipe ideas, if you guys have not seen that video already. But it was really, really good. I liked it a lot. This one I actually added some bacon bits to it and it was even better. My fiance, he said this is one of his favorite dishes. So if you guys have not tried it yet, I really suggest you do so. It's really easy. You just throw it all in a crock pot, wait a couple hours, and then voila, it's done.
Fuck what you thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better, like you never met me. I'm doing anything I want to. I'm going 0 to 80, so when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down B2. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. Oh, strangers, strangers. The other day I found your t-shirt, and I'd be lying if I said what if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me. You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day.
Hey guys, so that was pretty much what I do for a work morning routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe it to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the future videos. Bye!